Hey everyone, this is Pharaoh Silver, the Pharaoh of Beer Money Finance, back with another video. This is the third in a series of videos talking about where I and the Beer Money Network personally draw the line when it comes to beer money. What is beer money? What is not beer money? So in the first video, we talked about if YouTube can be beer money. And in the second video, we had a 1-hour roundtable with Tasty Wallet over if social casinos are beer money, which he made over $23,000 on, and we discovered the idea of how beer money apps can turn into side gigs if you put enough effort or money into it. Two other apps I mentioned people asked me to do reviews of or put in Beer Money Mania were the social media sites YouTube and X, as they were the only two mainstream social media sites, at least those that people had mentioned in the ballots, where you could earn cash just doing what the site wants you to do. Now, I know there's also Medium, that's like a blog and you can make money doing that, but I didn't get any votes for Medium. Just saying, I wanted to throw that out there. We went through YouTube already, and it was a pretty solid no on YouTube being a beer money app, mostly due to the amount of effort that has to be put into each video, even if you're going the shortcut route of faceless AI channels. Now today, we're going to look at the other app, X. So, is X a beer money app? Well, X, formerly Twitter, was acquired by Elon Musk back in 2022 over political issues that I won't talk about on this channel. Elon added a bunch of features to X, but one in particular that we are looking at today is monetization on X for posting, tweeting, whatever you want to call it. X began opening up its ad revenue sharing program several months into Elon's reign on July 2023. The program was introduced as a way for creators to earn a share of the advertising revenue generated from ads appearing in replies to their posts. At least that is what I am showing here with Google Gemini. This has brought in a whole new community of people who use X as a platform to make money. It's actually very similar to an old social media site that showed up in the mid-2010s called Sue. Sue was the first social media app to pay its users for posting on its platform, simply for posting about everyday life. However, without an already set up network of people there talking about stuff, Sue became little more than a place where people spammed other projects or two-word posts in order to game the system and make more money the most optimal way they can. I actually had an account on Sue back in the day, and it was impossible to make any real money on it if you tried to treat it like Facebook. You had to post dozens of times a day to make anything decent. That site ended up shutting down in 2016 due to lack of interest because it's really hard to get sponsorships to get people into trying out an app, especially an app that its sole purpose was simply for other people to make money, and also you had a lot of spammy stuff and a lot of scammy stuff there. Granted, today they might be lasting out a little longer due to crypto gaining some mainstream acceptance, and they could probably use the crypto token instead. But even then, crypto also can only go so far in supporting an app as a money-making app without some kind of backing from a corporation or some kind of sponsorship. Needless to say, X is sort of going down the same rabbit hole as Sue. The already built-in network Twitter and later Elon's followers on X had created in the start makes this system a bit more stable, but X is not without its problems and not without those trying to game the system. I originally was going to make this video about an experiment that I planned to run to see how I could monetize my way to X in 90 days, but I have opted to take this route instead, and I'll explain why as we get to the criteria. So let's first look at the 4 criteria I put out in the YouTube video that I used to determine a beer money app. And these are the 4. Is the app legit, as in do they pay out? Is there no to little active commitment involved? Is it a free way to make money? And finally, is there no to low effort to get said money? Now, if you want more detailed descriptions of what I mean, go check out the previous video, the one on Is YouTube Beer Money, that I'm going to put a link to in the description below, or you should see on the top right as a card. So, first, is X legit? Yes, X is legit. The money you earn goes directly to your bank account within 90 days. Despite what some critics would say, they do pay, and from what I'm told, they do pay pretty well given all you do is just post on there. And they're definitely doing way better on this than Sue ever did. Probably because of the massive following that they had beforehand. And even though they've shrunk a little bit now in active usership, they still have a very committed fan base over there. Second, is there no to little active commitment? I don't know about no, but there is little active commitment involved, yes. I've seen people take as long as 2-month-long breaks and come back and get monetized, and even during that time, they would get monetized because some of their old posts gathered up more impressions. It's very similar to YouTube, but maybe a little bit less evergreen. Where YouTube has tons of evergreen content available, I can only think of a handful of X posts that could be seen as evergreen content or something people will bookmark to. I know I myself have only bookmarked like 6 posts my entire time that I've been on there. But it's there, so yeah, I guess number 2, is there no to little active commitment? Yes, I will give them that. Number 3, is it a free way to make money? So this one is definitely a harder no than YouTube, and here's why. In order to be a creator on X, you must have one of these little verified check marks. And on X, the only way to get a check mark is to pay for an X Premium membership, alongside some other verification stuff that you also have to do. What's the cost of said membership? $8 a month or $84 a year. So there is a barrier to entry. So no, X is actually not a free way to make money. Now granted, it is low enough that you could use money from another Beer Money app to pay for it very easily if you want. So it's not necessarily a deal breaker for some. I mean, heck, a single Raid Shadow Legends offer could profit you 2+ years worth of X Premium. And I know some will point out that I said I'm allowing Go mining to be part of the Beer Money Mania tournament, and thus I am indirectly counting it as a Beer Money app, but we're actually gonna revisit this in the final video of this series coming up on February the 15th, because I got some recent findings about Go mining that might have changed my mind on that. So anyway, if that's not a deal breaker for some, let's look at the last piece. Is there low to no effort? At first, some would say yes, because all you have to do is post and you make money. But it's not that easy. See, on top of the X Premium membership, you also need the requirement of gathering up 5 million impressions on all your posts over 90 days. That amounts, if you do the math, to needing about 56,000 impressions a day. And that's for 90 days straight. And many premium users might be, at best, getting between 10 to 100 impressions a post, especially if you're starting out. So how do you get to that 56,000? Well, there's the hard way, which is building up a following elsewhere, either as an influencer, being a company, a brand, etc., and bunches of followers liking your content on X. There's the normal level way, which is post as shocking and heinous content as you possibly can without getting banned in order to get eyeballs on you, usually involving something political or sometimes meme-worthy. And then there's the easy way, which is just post a lot. And not just post a lot, but post to bigger accounts as early as you can. This is actually a way to game the system on X that many people have been doing. See, if you reply to a big brand's latest post and you are the first to reply, there will be a significant amount of people that will look at the comment section and contribute toward the 5 million impressions you need. You might also get followers, so your own posts on your own handle can also receive some impressions as well. Eventually, a domino affects each other to a point where you can pick up the said 56k impressions per day for 90 days. However, it is a lot of work. Most people might be lucky if they pull 100 to 200 impressions per reply this way. To get to 56,000 doing it this way, you have to average posting between 280 and 560 posts a day. Now, it is possible, but that is going to take a monumental amount of time. Now, some have done it. Here's an account on X called Sage of Sapien, and you can take a look at this guy. I want to give the credit here, too, to James Zond. That is literally earning $3,500 a month on average for simply posting, on average, 1,500 to 2,000 times a day. Most of his replies are simple 2-letter GM and GNs for good morning and good night, but every post counts for more impressions, which lead to more people looking at your content. And that impression number is the only criteria that matters to get monetized. Now, you probably don't need to do that many, but even a quarter of this would take a significant amount of time from your day. Assuming you post 2 of these a minute, which would be super fast, and you average around 120 impressions per post, which is actually kind of high for X these days, it would take you 4 hours a day, non-stop posting for 90 straight days, just to get to the bare minimum required to reach monetization. And this is the easy way. At least this is the more discreet way. I mean, you can also post shocking and borderline offensive content, as I had mentioned, but again, there's no guarantee like this reply guy method is like, and you have more risk involved, including losing your account. Not to mention, you can literally do this on YouTube and get the same results. So no to low effort? No, I'm sorry guys, it's not. It's mundane, yes. It's easier than posting videos or shorts on YouTube, yeah, but it's still work in itself. It's still a massive time sink. There is a more clear direct numbers driven path to making money on X than on YouTube, but it's still effort that is way more than what watching 50 ads on Bridge will get you. Now I admit, X actually has even more popularity to be seen as a beer money app on YouTube, and I admit given the 4 criteria I put out here, it's not too hard to see why. With YouTube, I could give a hard no to it being a beer money app due to the massive amount of effort it takes to make a video. This one is a little bit iffier because the degree to which number 3 is free, I mean, it's still a low enough barrier of entry that most people should be able to get an X Premium membership without a problem, and especially with any beer money app. And there is significantly less brain power required to post GM or GN 1,000 times than there is to post a video about a topic you're passionate about. But if I had to pick a yes or no to describe if this was beer money or not, yeah, I'm going to have to go with no, guys. There's just too much involved in X for me to say that it's a beer money app, and at least for me, I wouldn't put it into the Beer Money Mania tournament. However, we're going to have one more video, a Beer Money Roundtable, where we discuss these and other apps like survey sites and crypto mining apps and so on, and try to draw a line somewhere as we prepare for Beer Money Mania, which is only a little under 3 weeks away. So go check that out when it's released, and like this video if you like it, comment on if you disagree or agree with me, and don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. I'm Pharaoh Silver signing out. See you next time. Bye, everyone.